Hello everyone, I'm Jackie. Today we are going to talk about difference between LAN and WAN. Let's explain the concept of LAN and WAN. The LAN stands for Local Area Network, which is an internal network. For example, there are a bunch of computers in a company, and we need to use switch to connect them together to form an internal network. Therefore, LAN is a network connected by switch that forwards the same IP address segment. Of course, it doesn't necessarily have to be same IP address segment, but we usually set it up this way. So what's WAN? When we access the internet, we use a router. At this time, both sides of router are connected to internal and external networks to achieve cross-network segment forwarding. Therefore, WAN is a network that forwards data of different IP address segments through routing device. Okay. Today's share is over. If you have other technology you want to learn or have questions about this video, leave a message below and don't forget subscribe my channel. See you next time.